just to see what I do. And as a beginner trader, I usually wasn't sure how to create a log on a log of my trades, and I just wanted to share with you the way I did it, what I've come up with. So if this is something that you can use, then you can just go ahead and you do that. So I'm in Excel and I'm creating a whole new spreadsheet here, just so you can see how I actually do it. So let's get into it. So I've put in my date. I've put in my, let's call this daily P&L. And we move over to the weekly P&L. And let's just expand this a bit. And we can just leave it there. We're bolding, Control B. And in here, I'll put in my date. Today is the 17th. And I can just drag that down to Friday, which is the 18th. No, let's start on Monday. I'm sorry. We'll change this to Monday was the 14th. And we're going to take it down to the 18th. Okay, there we go. So that's basically how I do my date. Then I'll put my total here. And for my total, that's just equals sum, open bracket, and then I can just block all of that. So if I want to put in, say I made $100 here, it changes. And say I have $2,000 in equity, what I can also do is just equal sign this plus this, and that will be it. So whenever I make money, I'll just put that in and it'll just update on its own. All right, so I've gone ahead and just copied out what I did today. I have the video already set showing the trade that I took yesterday. So in your case, what you will do is go into your brokerage account and just pick up your P&L for the day and your charts and information. So this is what I've already done. So say I'm going to my brokerage account. So I'm using DAS Paper Trading. What I'll do, I'll just pick up the P&L statement. And DAS actually gives you shows you two sections where you can get your P&L. And I'll pick up my charts. So I traded SES and I traded ASMB. And this is just me showing you with a small account that you can actually make money. I'll just go over that in a bit here. So for today on SES was just 500 shares. And what happened was I saw this flag setting up. And just to point out that I came out of this too soon in retrospect, yes, but I am more comfortable as a short trader than a long trader. But I know that this is one of the bullish patterns the bullish flags. So I got in on Fib, yes, and I came out. I'm not sure if you can see. I came out on VWAP just to be sure. But this stock rallied way up, and yes, I missed it. And yeah, that was just a mistake that I made today. I probably should have waited for it to at least hit the 23.6% fib, but oh well, I'm still in the green, and green is good. And then later in the day, I also saw ASMB. And the reason why I got into this was it keeps hitting on the 61.8% fib, and then it failed. But I saw it hit here, red candle, red candle, red candle. I went in on that red candle, and it consolidated. I was watching it because I felt that it probably was not going to go past fib, but I was still watching it, and my assumption was right. It kept hitting it, and then it just failed, and I came out on the next fib line. So, like I mentioned in all my videos, I like to go where my lines are, or my technical analysis, like the VWAP, or where my resistance and support line is, and I'll come out and just showing you what you can make on a small account, and these are like 500 shares, 300 shares, and today was a profit of $240.59 trading with a small account. So yes, you can do it, and what I encourage again, as usual, is to make sure that you practice on your paper trading, get your patterns and your strategy right. I am a pattern trader. I like to look and see if I can find a pattern and trade that pattern. So this is one of the patterns that I like, and I traded that one. And I was looking at this on the daily as well, and I noticed, that these candlesticks were not passing here, and they were being pushed down every time. So that's why I traded this one that way. All right, so today's the 17th, so I made $240.59. So I'll put that in, and hopefully tomorrow I'll make some more. But that's it for me today. I welcome you to comment and tell me what you think. Please don't chastise me for getting out of this stock early. Like I said, I am more comfortable trading short, but I know this was a long trade, and I suffer from PTSD, I guess, because I'm generally not 100% comfortable. With my analysis as to where the stock is going to go. I'm so much more comfortable going short. So yes, I came out early as soon as I got some money, but that was a 5-minute trade, and I got $136.36. So you can't beat me up too bad about that one. All right, so yeah, that's it for me. Again, let me know what you think. Like and subscribe, and you can check out my blog. I'll put this in there as well, and the video that I made trading SES this morning, so you can take a look at that. So yeah, like and subscribe, and happy trading, and all the best to you guys. Take care. Bye.